Hi guys, Heat the Badi Fatha is back with another amazing recipe, and before getting into it, please subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. So let's get into the recipe, and इसके लिए हम लेंगे 5 to 6 big tablespoons of mustard oil. You can take any other oil of your choice, and I've added 2 dried red chilies into it. After that, I'm adding 1 big teaspoon of roughly chopped ginger garlic. Everything in this recipe has to be roughly chopped. Here I'm adding 7 to 8 kajus or cashews into it, and we have to roast them. So as we can see a slight golden color on our kajus, we'll add the onions. So प्याज मैंने लिए हैं approximately 3 to 4 medium size onions, again roughly chopped. सो 2-3 मिनट हाई फ्लेम पे प्याज को रखने के बाद हम उसमें 1 टीस्पून धनिया पाउडर डालेंगे और हाफ टी स्पून टर्मरिक पाउडर यानी हल्दी डालेंगे. सो नाउ वील पुट द फ्लेम टू लो एंड हम अलाउ करेंगे इसको अच्छे से मिक्स होने के लिए. So after about 4 to 5 minutes on low flame, we'll add our tomatoes into it. These are 5 to 6 medium sized tomatoes. As soon as we add the tomatoes, हम इसमें डालेंगे 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, and we'll add salt according to taste. So I would recommend that you add lesser amount of salt right now, because we can always adjust it later, as we have to blend it after the puree is done. With that, we'll sprinkle a little amount of kasturi methi into it, as it gives an amazing flavor to the butter chicken gravy. And now after stirring it, I'll put the flame to low, cover it with a lid and allow it to turn mushy. So this is the desired result we need, and our tomatoes need to be this mushy. They should be easily breakable, and a thick kind of paste is formed over here. So now we know that our tomatoes and our gravy is done. Now it just needs to go to the blender, and before that we'll allow it to rest completely so that it comes to room temperature. So for the Shahi Paneer gravy, I've taken 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of oil, और उसमें मैंने डाला है 1 बड़ा tablespoon of finely chopped garlic. Now I'm adding the gravy into it. Look at that color. What an amazing color. And now I'm adding approximately 2 teaspoons of kasturi methi into it. This gravy is very thick and it will stick to the sides until we add the milk, so keep occasionally stirring it nicely and scraping off the edges. So for increasing the volume of this gravy, as it is very thick right now, we'll add milk into it. I suggest that आप एक ग्लास में मिल्क फिल करके रख लो और धीरे धीरे इस ग्रेवी में डालो. जितना आपको चाहिए, जितनी क्वांटिटी आपको इस ग्रेवी की चाहिए, आप उतना मिल्क डालो, एंड यू कैन एडजस्ट द सॉल्ट एंड बटर. सो दिस ग्रेवी will not taste bad if you add a lot of milk into it. So if you want to make it in a large quantity, you can double the quantity of onions and tomatoes and use the same recipe. Now I'm adding, sprinkling actually, a little bit of red chili powder and a little bit of garam masala into the gravy, because we don't need it to be extremely sweet. Keeping it on low flame, we'll allow all of it to get mixed really nicely before adding the paneer. Here comes everybody's favorite part. It's time to add the malai into it. मैंने वो मलाई यूज़ करी है जो दूध के ऊपर होती है, fresh मलाई. And I've taken 1 big tablespoon of it. You can even add cream, Amul cream, fresh cream, anything that you like. It gives a very nice flavor and texture and color into the gravy. Now I've added 200 grams of paneer. I've diced it and I've added it. Now I'll cover the lid as the flame was already low. I'll cover it for about 2 to 3 minutes and our Shahi Paneer is done. Now you will absolutely love this dish. This is the makhni pasta, kind of a pink sauce pasta, but who loves pasta in butter chicken gravy? Now I've just taken a pan and added the sauce directly into it. Now as it comes to a boil, हम इसमें दूध डालेंगे. इन द सेम वे आप इसे ग्लास में निकाल के अलग से रख लें एंड उतना डालें जितनी आपका पास्ता रिक्वायर करता है. You can even add oregano in this sauce at this time. So मैंने अपने पास्ता में बॉईल करते ही सॉल्ट डाला था, तो इसमें मैं सॉल्ट नहीं डाल रही हूँ. अगर आपने नहीं डाला तो आप डाल दीजिए. मैंने यहाँ पे 1 बिग टेबल स्पून ऑफ चीज़ स्प्रेड डाला है इसमें. So we'll allow the cheese to mix completely into the sauce. The flame is low, guys. Keep it on low flame. This gravy gets thickened very quickly and easily, so we'll cook it on low flame throughout the recipe after it's blended. Now I've added my macaroni pasta into it, and look at that pasta. It was amazing and it had a completely different taste. Mix it very nicely and cover it with the lid for about 2 minutes, and then it's ready to serve. If you like all my videos, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, as I'm very active on Instagram. Thank you and keep supporting.